Hello everyone, it's Bro back with another video. In this video, it's gonna be the app showcasing of Deep Clone for Jira. So it is really advanced cloning of single issues. You can bulk clone your projects. You can manage the presets. You can have the clone history. So a lot of stuff that you can basically do is actually there. So it says customers can bulk clone up to 100,000 issues in one clone job, and they can be run in the background. So literally you can bulk clone a lot of stuff. So when you select it in here, so first of all, it's going from like source filter or source project. I'm gonna say source project, right? I'm gonna select, let's say, mobile development. And from the mobile development, I'm gonna say, you know what? I also want this to be within the mobile program. I'm gonna be first fetching the issues. So what it does, it first fetches all of the issues from that specific project. So it fetched like 96 issues. Lowering the presets, well, this is something where you're basically defining the predefined rules of how you want to run your cloning. What exactly do you want to clone and how you want to clone it. So I'm not going to be making any presets now. So I'm just going to be doing it here. So now it's also saying, okay, if you're cloning the issues, you can keep them to be same as original, or you can clone them to be bug, epic, stories, tasks, or subtasks. I'm going to say do it for the subtasks. And now it says for subtasks, it's saying because there are 39 of them, clone all 39 of them and keep the hierarchy. And it's saying clone the selected 39 subtasks with the target issue type task. Now this is interesting. So also I can clone the attachments. I can clone the comments where it says add original comment date and prevent mentioned users to be notified. Okay, this is also interesting, because when you're doing the cloning and what if someone was what if someone was really using the mentioning of someone else, and they get this notification again that they were like mentioned on the another project. So there are other things like watchers 98 and issue links 65, excluding clones. So it says, first of all, to adjust issue links between issues, part of this bulk clone, instead of linking to the original issues, keep issue links to issues not part of this bulk clone. Okay. So now, advanced options, I want to add a prefix. Yeah, I want to see how it works. Okay. So then it says add clones, issue link between clone and the original issue. So my friends, this not only creates the clone, it also creates an issue link between that and the original issue in here. And now it even adds clones and is cloned by. Okay, so I'm gonna have the resemblance of clones, and this is what we have. Okay, link to cloned parent or else clear, and we have epics in here. We have lots of epics, and we also have lots of subtasks in here. So we want to make sure this actually works. Now I'm going to say in here, and this is going to be my action where I'm going to say immediately clone 96 issues. So I'm going to go with this. So now you can actually see in the background what is happening, right? So let's say it's okay, and it's even saying there are some errors in here. To cloning could not create issue because the configure parent is not assignable to this issue. So those errors can actually might come up as well. So there is one clone issues, and you can view seven of them that could not actually be cloned. And these are the ones. Okay. Could not create the issue because the configured parent is not assignable to this issue. It's not assigned to this issue. Let's see. Okay. Alright. So this is happening. Right. A lot of things, actually. And this is the cloning. Let me see the 4 cloned issues for now. And it says, well, it's cloning this epic right here. This one, it's cloning this epic right here. So these are the epics. And even in here, it even says originally added by automation by Jira, and even it says that this is done by the deep clone, not really. And there is the timestamp in here, and also this so originally added to mobile 2 by automation for Jira. So it even does that for you. Okay. So a lot of stuff are actually happening here, and it seems like a lot of them cannot be cloned for that assignable problem. Configure parent is not assignable to this issue. Yeah, and it seems that it goes for this one. So not to be having this video to last too long, you'll also need to check for this right here. But it does the cloning pretty well, and this is what I actually see. It even clones the comments themselves, and it says this is what it's cloning. So it really is doing a really good job with cloning these issues, right? So I'm going to cancel this because this is going to be the end of today's video and the showcase of this app. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See ya. Bye.